Here I'm unboxing the Kiwi ears Canta, C-A-N-T. I'm not exactly sure how everyone likes to pronounce this, but I'll call it Canta. It's a interesting IEM with one DD and two planar drivers, priced at $90. This is a well endowed IEM at this point of time because two planar drivers are more than enough to deliver high quality, highly resolving, well defined highs and mid range. So I'm guessing we are looking at a very good high quality IM at just $90. So let's see. Same Kiwi ears packaging. I do not expect anything fancy here. Kiwi ears do not pack their IMs with fancy cables or anything. The case is fairly basic too, so it's difficult to expect anything different from them. If we look at the IEM, I believe this is made out of metal, and the back plate feels like metal. I'm not exactly sure, but it kind of looks like metal, and this is resin, or you can say plastic even. So it's a good looking IEM. I was believing that this one might be made out of metal, but no, this is not metal. It looks like metal, but maybe not metal. The back plate is metal. The shell is made out of resin. In any case, let's have a look at the rest of the accessories. Oh, slightly better case. Fox leather case, unlike the quartet and others that come with a mesh like black case. This one is slightly better, but we still have that below average cable here. It looks okay, but there is nothing special about this. This is just a run of the mill kind of cable. There is nothing special to talk about here. For the cable, dual core average kind of cable, and we get three set of tips. That's good. Three set of tips. So yeah, that's it. This is the unboxing of Kiwi ears Canta, and yes, the impression follows. Thank you for watching. This is the initial impression of Kiwi ears Canta. This is a very interesting IM. I haven't heard a high quality V-shaped IM in a while, and this one is very promising. To be precise, we are getting one DD and two planar drivers, and the good thing is that what I really like about this IM is its ability to adopt with most of the sources. I used it with my mobile phone, and yeah, it wasn't the best for sure, but it was not being very sharp or very moody or anything like that. And it sounds very good with a simpler, cheaper USB DAC amp like Hide's S8 Pro. So I will say that this is a fairly frugal, very well tuned hybrid V-shaped IM. And if we look at the build quality, this is resin and this is metal. It looks nice. I like the way it looks, but I somehow down the line felt that it could have been a bit more deeper. The depth is not exactly great, or to me this fit is not the best. And if we look at the cable too, it is not the best quality of cable for sure. At $90 we can get modular cables with $80 IEMs. In any case, we are getting a excellent set of drivers though, two planar drivers and one DD, and this IEM can deliver plenty of bass. Okay, and that was what I was surprised with. The amount of bass this IEM can deliver is fantastic. I'm liking the punch, I'm liking the rumble, I'm liking the sub bass extension. What I'm not liking is the slight bit of looseness. Okay, it kind of feels like the notes are slightly on the loose side, they're not aptly tight to my taste. But if you like slightly loose kind of lower end, bassy lower end, you will like this is very enjoyable, very musical. It has very good layered delivery, but as I said, it is a bit on the less clean side. I was expecting a bit more cleanliness, but dynamics are very good. It can hit variety of notes without much issues, but once it goes boom, once it goes rumble, it is unable to control that extra bit of softness with the notes. So that was something I was slightly not happy with, but it is what it is, and I'm expecting it to tighten up after maybe 100 hours of burning in. But we will see. At this point of time, I'm not going to burn this in. I'm going to work around the EW300. So this one will be in the back burner at this point of time. In any case, if we move on to the mid-range, as I said, it's a V-shaped IM and it doesn't have a lot of emphasis on the mid-range, but I like the cleanliness. It is very clean. There is no thinness to the vocals at all. They're not very throaty, but yes, male vocals are aptly throaty. They are not very grunty, but they have decent amount of grunt, and I'm liking the clarity and definition to them. They are very well textured too. They do not sound unnatural or anything like that, but yes, they're not very tall. Okay, those notes are not very tall. Instruments though are very clean and clear, and I like that extra bit of clarity we are getting with the instruments. They're not sharp, as I said already. It is aptly clean and a slight bit of forward, slightly more transparent. They have very good finishing, definition, and resolution, and I like this kind of mid range a lot. And if we move on to the treble, we are getting two planar drivers, and this IEM can deliver one of the cleanest and most engaging treble under $100. Okay, under $100, because if we look into the Hades MP143, that is going to be priced at $160, and T95 Dudu is very good at 80, but that one kind of lacks a bit of Z-axis depth, but this one does not lack that Z-axis depth. We are getting very good depth and very good agility with the treble instruments, and we get very good clarity too, very good separation, very good layering, very good back and foreground contrast, and that kind of stuff. Very good extension, if I have not mentioned, very good extension, and imaging is very clean, very clear. With the treble, we get a well expanded staging, and what I really like about that staging is that it is very accurate. Okay, nearly pinpoint accuracy with the placement of instruments, and that is what really like about the Kiwi ears Canta. It's a bit on the clarity, accuracy, and precision kind of tuning, but it is a very good IM for the asking price of just $90. I am going to change the cable. I'm getting a couple of cables, and we will see how this one responds to cable changes, and we will see if this has the potential to be one of the best IMs under $100. So this is it. This is my initial impression of the Kiwi ears Canta. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.